In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then choose Allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by tapping on the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now name your recording however you wish to and delete it right away by choosing Delete over here. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to save it though, you need to click on Save instead after naming it. And then click on the same right button to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!